In this video, we will solve 3 radical equations. This will be the first problem, this will be the second problem, and this will be the third problem. So let's get started with the first problem. So in order to solve for x, what we're going to first do is move this negative 3 over to this side. And we can do that if we add 3 here and we have to add 3 here. So what we do on one side, we have to do on the other side. And so what we would get is the cubic root of x is equal to 3. Next, we will cube both this and this to get x. So we would get, we have the cubic root of x, and we will cube it is equal to 3 cubed. So this right here would be x, and this right here would be 27. So 3 cubed is 27. And so x is equal to 27 is the final answer. And if we want, we can check. If we had 27 here, the cubic root of 27 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So that's correct. And now we will do the second problem. So the first step is to add 1 here and add 1 here. What we add on one side, we need to add on the other side. So we would get 3 times the square root of x plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, divide by 3, divide by 3. So the square root of x plus 4 is equal to 3. Next, we will square this side and this side. So if we square x plus 4 like this, we square it, we had to square this also. So 3 squared. And whenever we square this term right here, we would get x plus 4 is equal to 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Finally, minus 4, and so x is equal to 5. And so if you want, you can even check. If we plug in 5 here, 5 plus 4 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So that's correct. And now we will do the last question. This question is slightly different. The first step, we would add square root of x plus 4 on this side and also on this side. So it's equivalent. And so we would get the square root of 3x is equal to the square root of x plus 4. And so the next step is to square both sides. So parentheses, square root of 3x squared is equal to parentheses, the square root of x plus 4 squared. And so this right here would simply be 3x is equal to, this right here would simply be x plus 4 minus x, so 2x is equal to 4 divided by 2, so x is equal to 2. And so if you want, we can even check. If we were to plug in 2 here, 3 times 2 is 6, so the square root of 6 minus square root of 2 plus 4 is 6. So the square root of 6 minus the square root of 6 is 0. And so that's correct. And that's all we need to do to solve radicals.